Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your TREZOR Model T. To set up your TREZOR Model T, first you'll need to download the TREZOR Suite app or either on your computer with Windows or Mac OS or on your Android device. I'll just see if I have the TREZOR app somewhere here. You can also open the web app. So if you go to trezor.io/start or trezor.io/TREZOR Suite in the website, then you'll be able to download for desktop, for Mac OS, Windows or Linux, or for Android as well. If you click on more, then you can get it for Android. There's also an app for iOS, but it's only for viewing the balance of your account. Or you can continue in the browser. Let's now set up the TREZOR. It has to be connected to the computer via USB-C cable. Now install firmware. And by the way, I forgot to tell you, but there was an option to select the Bitcoin only firmware instead of universal one. So if you only use Bitcoin and not any other crypto, then switch to Bitcoin only firmware because it's gonna be better for that matter. But if you use any other crypto, then stick to universal one. And yeah, let's wait a moment. You can see it's almost done. And now it's restarting. Let's continue, and now you can create a new wallet or recover the wallet from a recovery phrase. There will be a video on recovering from a recovery phrase if you have one and want to use the assets from the wallet binded to that recovery phrase, but I will be creating the new wallet here, and if you want you can watch a video on recovering wallet. And that video only shows this one step of recovery, so all the other ones can be followed from this video that we're watching right now. Here you can select different things, like single share backup or multi-share backup in 20-word backup type, or you can select legacy backups like 12-word backup or the 24-word backup. It says that 12 is default, so I'll just use it. It's fine with me, but you can also set it to single share backup because it can be upgraded to multi-share backup if you wish. I'll just stick to that 12 one because it's gonna be a bit faster, so I'll just click on create wallet here, and now it'll start creating it. And now you'll need to continue to backup. And it's very important not to share your wallet backup with anyone. There will be these 12, 20 or 24 words generated, and you need to write them down on a piece of paper, not on your mobile device. Don't take a picture of it. Don't do it in a room with cameras. Just make it as confidential as you can. Never digitize it on any digital device. Only store it on a piece of paper in a very secure place. And it is very important, very. It tells you that it lets you recover your funds in case of TREZOR loss or damage. So if it's so easy to recover by just entering the wallet backup, that's why it shouldn't be shared. And also never lose it, because otherwise you won't be able to restore your wallet and you'll lose your money. Let's click on continue on the TREZOR, then okay, I understand. And now I have 4 words, and I know I'm showing you these right now, but it's only because I won't be transferring any money ever to the wallet with that phrase. I'll just create a new one if I want to use this device. So I'll just set it up again. And yeah, I'm just gonna write it down, write down all of these words. Then you can see I have 12, but if you've selected a different option, then you'll have more words. And now I'll need to hold to confirm. And it asks me for the first word, so I'll just tap on the right one. Remember, never share your wallet backup. Now it asks me for the 5th word, so I'll also click on that. And then for the 12th word, which is gonna be chimney, click on continue and click on continue. Now continue to pin and set pin. That can be skipped, but I don't recommend doing so because it's very important to have any protection on your device from physical access. So let's click on turn on. Now enter the new pin, and you can see that the pin is shuffled here. The tiles of the pin are shuffled, so you'll just need to mind what's written on the keys actually. Now re-enter it. I'm setting it to something simple, but set it to actually something more complicated so no one can guess it. Now I'll click on continue. And yeah, let's continue in the app. Now you can activate coins that you like. So I have Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana selected. You can select more and select some. There's also testnet. These can be selected, and they are basically like test coins that don't hold any value, which means that you can just use them to test your device, to learn how it works and stuff like that, and it doesn't hold any value in these testnet coins. Now in Tor, you can enable Tor if you want to route all Trezor Suite's traffic through the Tor network, increasing your privacy and security, but it may take some more time for Tor to load and establish a connection. I'm actually gonna leave that disabled. Then let's go to Trezor Suite. And now I'm all set up. So all I'll need to do now is just use the app. And feel free to watch some more videos on the channel on this device, because there will be some. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.